December, everyone. I feel like, oh, I'm picking up things from Target. I feel like I haven't like talked to you guys in a long time. And if you are new, my name is Makeda. Welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today is the day before Christmas, and I'm picking up like wrapping paper from Target, and I just picked up like some cider and stuff as well. But I wanted to start off with this vlog by just saying thank you to every single one of you guys that has liked a video, watched a video, subscribed, shared, you know, just sent like your love and took time out of your day just to like spend it with me on my channel. Like, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm so thankful for all of you. I really hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and then also have a happy new year. And I'm just wishing you guys all the best for the new year. No, I don't have any cash. I always like to tip them, but I don't have any cash. I feel so bad because it's like the holiday season and I don't have it. I thought I had money. I should give him a lottery ticket. Oh, I feel so bad. I don't have any cash. I guess I could give him a cough drop. It's the holiday season. I always feel so bad. Like I always like tip people. Let me see if I can remember what he looks like. Look at my little. So I just got home. I picked up like all the stuff. I'm about to like wrap these gifts, but I wanted to start off with doing like a little collective haul. So I got a package from my favorite people in the entire world, Dossier. I'm sure you guys have seen Dossier everywhere on TikTok, on Instagram, in Walmart, online. Like, they are an iconic fragrance house for your body, for your home, and they just, I love their mission. They want everyone to experience luxury, but not at the luxury cost, not at the luxury price, I should say. And I got which I love, this iconic scents, designer qualities, no markups. I got powdery coconut. It's like one of like my favorite scents. It's so beautifully packaged always. So I got a perfume, and then I also got a diffuser in Amberly Cherry, and this is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. And this smells amazing. This one's gonna go in my room. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the fragrance. It comes with like the little wooden wicks, and it just has like all of the details. They also, I didn't even wait for you guys because I just could not wait. I also got a candle, but I have burned this bad boy all the way down, like, and usually I have to keep like my candles like lit so you can like smell the aroma through the house. And Dossier is like one of the few brands that you literally can light the candle and it just illuminates throughout your house, the scent. And it's such a nice size and just absolutely delicious. I love Dossier. Thank you so much, Dossier, for these wonderful iconic scents. I have a link down below with a coupon code so you guys can save some coins. So thank you, Dossier, for sponsoring this video. I wanted to share with you guys something so cool. So this company reached out to me and they're like, hey, we love your videos. You know, we have a author, a children's author that wrote a book that's inspired by her heritage. And I'm like, wait, what? Yeah, like send it to me. Like, I would love to promote it. I'm gonna try and get more copies of this because I have 3 god kids and I think it's just so beautiful when you can like see yourself and your culture like around you. I think that's super inspiring. And the only thing I can like think of, like, you know, growing up in Jamaica was like Zachariah or Anansi stories. I'm trying to think of like other like kids. I can't really think of any, but this book, it's called It'll Be Irie, Staying True to Yourself. It's by Down Swaby. And how beautiful is this? And look, it has like a little Jamaica hat. I mean, it has like the Jamaican flag right there, and I just thought that was so beautiful. So they sent this book to me, and I'm like, listen to this, listen to this. Even the names, I'm just like, okay, like, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I am moving to America when Pops and Mommy tell me I know right away what to do. Just wait until everyone sees how American I can be. This is so cute. I start researching, and they did not ask me to do this, but this just makes my heart so happy. I start researching at my cousin's Percy house. Like, Percy is such a Jamaican name. Until Uncle Phil have a whole heap of American movies, but they're older, so we use what Percy called Asian technology. Then I use what Mummy called the old-fashioned internet. I take good notes, but I have no money to buy the latest American fashion, so I must improvise. Oh, after that I go into the field. I take notes, but I have no money to buy the latest American fashion, so I must improvise. Like, it's like the cutest. Look at this. Hello, Jamaica Queens. Like, they're on the plane. Like, oh my gosh. I remember like my grandma would like tell me this story, and she would like always cry when she told me. I remember this is when you could like watch the planes take off in Jamaica. So, oh my gosh. So this was like the first time my dad and I were like coming to America, and I remember I had like a dolly. My grandma told me, I don't remember the dolly, but I had like a dolly or a teddy bear. And like my whole family, like my whole entire family went to the airport with us. And this is like, I remember like when I first came to America, and my whole entire family came to the airport with us, and it was like happy but sad, because it's just, you know, and my dad and I were coming up, and my grandma always tells me like, you were just like this little something, and you had like your dolly or like a teddy bear I had, and your dad was like holding your hand. And in Montego Bay you used to could like watch the planes take off, so they like watched me like, oh yeah. So I think this is like if you have like a kid, or if you have like children, this would be like a great book for them. And I'm gonna try and find it. I haven't looked it up. I'm gonna try and buy like a few copies. But thank you so much for sending this to me. Please, they did not tell me to like tell this. I'm promoting this because I really want to, and I just think it's great when, I don't know, when you can see someone that something similar, like, you know, like coming to America, you're Jamaican, like your family like prepping, like, so yeah. It'll Be Irie is the name of the book. I also got some pair of sunglasses. I'm not like a big sunglass girl. Take my hat off. I probably have like a mark on my head from my hat. But I saw these sunglasses and I thought they were like pretty cool, so I got them. I hope I wear them. This is what they look like. I feel like they can be like a vibe. Yeah. So these are the sunglasses. I think they're good. Like once I have my makeup on, I think they will look really good. Yeah. I got this cup from Target too. It's not in the haul, but I'll link it. I love it. It keeps everything cold like for days. Sometimes like when I put ice in there, like 3 days, the ice is still in there. I love it. So those were these sunglasses. I'll link them down below. Then I got these banks. I don't want to open it because my mom kind of like watches my videos. I got these banks for my aunt and my mom. So I'm about to wrap them in this wrapping paper and I will be back. Happy New Year, Scott. Well, Happy New Year. Today I'm with my mom and my aunt. I'm staying in the car. They're gonna go get some Victoria's Secret stuff. I just did not want to like, I don't know, walk in the store. For some reason, like I am the type of person where I'm just like, after so many stores, I'm like, okay, I've had enough. And I never used to be like that. Like I didn't mind going to like different stores and shopping, but like now I'm just like, yeah, I'm not into it. But Home Goods, when we went to Home Goods, I literally like looked down everything. I think my interests have just like shifted in terms of like, I already like know what my style is and things that I love wearing and things that fit my body well, that I'm just like, I'm not looking for anything like new. I kind of have like the basics. So yeah, this is the new year. I already wrote down some goals for the first quarter, and nothing like, yes, financial, because you know money is attached to everything that is important to me, so that's in the mix. But other things like I have for myself, like working out, vacations and things like that. Like I just want to be in a space where I'm just extremely not grateful, because I'm grateful, you know, so grateful. But I just want to be in a space where I am waking up every day and something excites me, or I'm just in a like a state of peace. My dream for myself is just to have like, well, I won't put it on here. I think like certain things that you want for yourself, actually I'm gonna say it on here. Like I just want to wake up like with peaceful mornings. Like I feel like just with like work and everything, I have to like wake up to like an alarm, and I'm like in the hustle and bustle, and I don't, not that that's a bad thing, but I want to wake up like softer. And that's just for myself, because I'm not a morning person. This is not like a trendy, this is just, I want to wake up in peace. I want my body to like naturally wake up and I'm just in peace, not waking up to an alarm or like, you know what I mean. So that's one of my goals. So yeah, but when I get home, so that's what's happening. Also, I have my last shoot for Hair Oh So Lavish. I'm super excited. And then I start marketing. And I'm literally just winging it. Like I am just gonna promote it like I'm promoting like a party or something, and then go from there. I think you just gotta do it. If it works out, yeah. If it doesn't, you learn and go from there. But I will see you guys either later on, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. When I go to the nail salon, when I try on my dresses, because my second dress is coming. And yeah, that's it.